Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Maybe you already do something similar to this, or maybe you like your system you have. But now that my family's growing, it's harder for me to put laundry away for everyone. So something that helped me a lot is having a table and folding them up and putting them in stacks of, shirts for such and such kid, and pants for another kid, and clothes for mama. That way they're folded and in their stacks, and I can just walk to the drawers and put the whole stack away all at once, rather than sitting over by the drawers and making stacks and having to go to other rooms, and it just got to be too much. So I really like this new system, and I thought, why not share the idea? Also, I have a very cute helper. Isn't he adorable? Say hello. Hi. Say thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. I'm taking over this channel.